Former president of Netball Jamaica, Marv Bernard, says things need to change going forward administratively for local netball's governing body. Her statement comes following the postponement of the annual general meeting for Netball Jamaica, which should have been held today at the Jamaica Olympic Association head office in Kingston. The postponement is due to the late publication of audited financial statements and the lack of a quorum.
The ship needs to be steadied. The ship needs to be steadied. There's no getting around that. Unfortunately, the meeting this morning had to be postponed. There was no quorum and the accounts weren't available for us. But I'm sure that we had a robust meeting inside and the board will do whatever it needs to do to have everything in order for the next time that the meeting is set for.
TVJ Sports understands that the Netball Jamaica's AGM and elections will now be held next year, February. Meanwhile, incumbent Paula Daly Morris will not be seeking re-election. First Vice President Tricia Robinson is in line to take over the running of the association and is expected to go unopposed. The meeting, which was originally set for December 7, was already delayed because of the same issues.